They got wacky tracks. They got globbles now.
Hey, but they have a light bulb one.
Oh my goodness.
I want one.
You want... Guys, look. We're at Five Below.
Yes, it is. Oh my goodness, Auntie, come.
Hi.
Oh.
Let's go have fun. Look. Daddy.
I really need this for the car.
What is that?
Oh, that's for in the car.
Finally. Oh, I got this one. Oh, that was cool. What, Maddie?
That's cool.
I got that. They don't have it because I didn't get it from this one.
Oh, can we go there?
It's not down there.
Oh, I want to get this for Dad. No, seriously, I really do.
But it's Grandma.
Okay, I'll ask him right now.
You get the dirtiest one in the front. Yeah, everybody touch.
Here. Here.
Hi guys.
Come on.
Aww. Little sweaters. That is so cute. We have some lights. Some lights. Empty, empty, empty.
Auntie, where is she?
You gotta wait. She's over there.
Where?
Over there. 2 aisles down. These are so cute.
I want one. I want one.
You want a waterfall.
Can I have one?
I'm not paying for it. You gotta ask your granny.
Okay.
Oh, Maddie, what is this?
Huh?
Look, it's the shape of Stitch's head.
That means
I
there's...
think I saw this on TikTok. Ooh, look at this.
What?
Guys, look. Oh, it's kind of hard.
It is. I want one.
It ain't working now.
Hey.
Nah,
not
that's
getting this.
faulty.
No.
You push
I'm
it
not
like
getting
2
it.
times and then it goes. It's so hard. It's cute. They don't have new toys. They got a lot of SpongeBob stuff. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's a puzzle.
Grandma said I can get it.
Splat ball.
That's splat ball. I popped
Is that the egg?
Yes, this is the egg, but they have a light bulb one.
Oh my goodness. And the tomato.
I want the tomato one. I always
Smelly
wanted the...
feet spray.
I'm getting this tomato one.
No, I think you
always...
should use this one. I didn't know if that one.
Oh wait, but I never... My finger... I put my own finger and I almost got stuck.
No, they've been had that.
No, Auntie, I really want...
They have Stitch. Oh snap. There's all the Fidgets. They got globbles. Maddie! Come here! They got wacky tracks. They got globbles now. Come here! Over here! Follow my voice. Look, they got globbles.
Globbles? Oh, mini globbles.
Look at this.
Backpacks. Oh, I said that was two are my last things, but I really want that. But next time. Auntie,
What is this?
These are $5 each. Oh, monkey noodles. Those are the ones that Olivia has. These are $5 each.
Yeah.
Yes, they
Maybe.
are. Yeah.
Look how that looks just like a cheeseburger.
I know it does. Pizza?
In the back.
Oh, this?
Is that pizza?
Yeah, this is pizza.
That looks so good.
I know it does.
Makes me want pizza now.
No, I want pizza.
That's adorable. I think I got that one. World's smallest.
Auntie, you scared me. I thought I didn't have my phone. I thought I left it in the car.
Really?
Oh my goodness. And then I saw it in your hand. This is why I don't leave my phone in the car. And this is why I don't bring my phone. This one's so cool. What's this?
Looks like the world's smallest Hot Wheels.
I know, right? These are the medium ones.
Look at the dinosaurs.
Well, they look
They
fake.
have so many of them.
I know.
What do they do?
I don't know. It's boring. Please, if you have to do it.
Hey guys, it's the Auntie and
Niece Show.
And today we are opening some fidgets from
Five Below and
where's the Dollar Tree?
fidget spinner from Dollar Tree.
Look how fast it goes. Alright, what else we got?
And we got this splat ball. It's a tomato.
Wanna try it? Let's try it.
Ready, set, go.
Do it again.
Okay.
Alright, what else do you got?
We have this pizza squishy. It's really cool. It looks like a
What kind of
pie.
pizza is it?
It's a pepperoni pizza.
Kind of looks like a deep dish pizza.
I know, right? It looks like, when it's upside down, it looks like a pie.
It does. So squish it again. And it slowly rises. Look at that, guys. Back into a pizza. Okay, what else we got?
Next, we got this Kool-Aid. And if you see this is open, I kind of opened it.
But you didn't try it, right?
No. It's a Kool-Aid cotton candy.
Tropical punch flavor.
Smells good.
So Maddie's gonna try it because she's the only one that likes cotton candy.
Mommy.
What color is it?
Guys, it's all blue. It smells really good. Let's see how it tastes.
Taste test.
Smells. It feels
It's
so
soft.
soft. Ready, set, go. It tastes like Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Tropical punch Kool-Aid. Cool.
Tastes like the red one.
What's the next thing we have?
Next thing we have this big squishy
A big
wobble.
squeeze flat ball.
We're gonna
It's upside down. It is a Orb ODT's BB ball. Now we're gonna open it. Okay, Maddie.
okay. Let's open it.
Whoa. Say it like that. Your whole tongue is blue.
Guys,
Nice and close up.
Mom. Ooh, that's cool.
Let's squeeze it.
So big and jiggly.
Alright, we're gonna see if it's a splat ball. An actual huge splat ball.
Set, go. Hey
Our
guys,
last thing, we have the
squishies, 6-pack squishy.
sensory ball 6-pack.
And guys, that was pretty cool, right?
Yep.
This big squishy was pretty cool. Okay, time to open this.
This was $5 for 6 squishies.
And we got this from Dollar Tree.
It calms your mind and engages your senses. Look, it says ASMR approved.
Really? Oh, I know those kind of squishies.
Those are cool.
I really wanted this one.
That's that one, no?
No, it has to be some white balls in it. It's fine, but I'm gonna go like this.
Okay, I'm gonna do that one first.
Yeah. Wow, I guess I really wanted this to be packaged. Okay. Okay, let's squish this one. So this has a light green and light purple.
Do you think that glows in the dark?
I don't know. We should check. There's a little water in here, and it's very soft.
Squeeze it.
It feels so good. It feels like it's about to pop, but it feels really good. Feels really good, right?
Yeah.
I feel like you can use this when you're like stressed. Time for this one. It's probably
stressed over a test.
Let's see if this is the same thing. This
I
one
like the
feels
color.
better. This one feels better.
Color's like Barbie color.
Yeah, look. It has a lot of water in it. It has some clear Oreos in it too. Squish it. Feels so good.
Okay, next one.
Next one is this blue one. I guess this changes color.
That is so nice.
Purple, your favorite color. And it slowly goes back into shape.
Oh, this one feels so nice.
I know it does. It feels like my other one.
Okay, what's the next one?
The next one is probably like the same thing. Pink.
Pink.
Feels like the same thing, Auntie.
Yeah.
I wonder.
What's in
This-
there? Air.
No, there's little beads. Hard beads.
I never saw that one before.
Wait, what? One just fell out.
One fell out.
One fell out. It's a plastic. One fell out. Look.
There's like a little hole in it.
Oh, it sounds crunchy.
I know, right?
Yeah. Okay, the last one is same thing,
Yeah, I think.
just
Oh,
different color.
I thought it was rice.
Sounds like there's rice in there.
I know it does. Oh man, I can't wait till I have my Pringles and my Takis.
Okay, guys. Well, if you guys want any of these toys, where do you have to go?
Dollar Tree and Five Below.
Dollar Tree and Five Below.
And guys, look, this is my puppet.
Really? Homemade poppet.
This is
This is a
loud.
loud poppet.
I know.
So which came from which stores?
So this came from Dollar
Five
Tree.
Be-
I mean Five
Five
Below. And this came from Five Below too, right?
Mhm.
And this came from Five Below. This came from Dollar Tree.
Dollar
It was
Tree
in a
and the-
vending machine.
The toy vending machine.
And this was from Five Below too.
And the cotton candy
And
was
the cotton
from...
candy is from Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye.